Hello parents, how are you all? Hope you are all doing well. So today's activity is basically for you to understand how you are going to introduce a square shape to the children. That's why we are not addressing the children directly. So for this you will have to take one something made of cloth which is in a square shape, a napkin, a handkerchief, a kitchen towel, a cushion cover, anything. And we will just place it on something and we will show to the child like this. See, is it a square? Is it a circle shape? Is it a round circle? No, this is not round circle. Can you see? This is not round circle. This is a square. Is this a triangle? Is this three-angle triangle? No, this is not even three-angle triangle. This is a square shape. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides. This is a square shape. This is a square shape. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides. This is a square shape. This is not a circle. This is not a triangle. This is a square. Now what we are going to do is, we will lift the two corners which are far from us. We will lift these two corners in both our hands and we will fold them onto the corners which are close to us like this, and then we will press it. What we are going to do is, we are going to lift these two corners which are far from us, lift them into both our hands and bring them onto these two corners and press it. See, this is folded now. This has become smaller. Now what we are going to do is, we will lift one side with both the corners and bring it to the other side and press it again, and see, what does this become? This has become a small square. This has become a small square. First it was a big square. Now it has become a small square. So we are going to do something more interesting now. We will just turn it like this and lift this corner and fold it onto this corner. And see, what has this become? This has become a triangle. This has become a triangle shape, right? So we will again open it, unfold it, and this has become a small square. This has become a small square. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides. So this is how you can fold your clothes also. What we will do is now is, we will just open it again and see, this is folded and here it becomes a big square again, right? It has become a big square again. So dear parents, this is how you have to introduce the square shape to the children. Always counting, because counting we introduce in this manner only. Numbers we introduce in this manner through counting, so that the children also understand the use of numbers. And you just do it slowly and repeat it quite a few times so that the concept starts forming in the children's minds, and then leave the children to do it. Initially they will not be able to do it perfectly, but you just help them a little and then let them sort it out. They will themselves find out the ways to do it once they have understood it. So this is basically laying the foundation of so many of the pre-numerical and pre-geometrical concepts in their minds. They will not understand exactly what it is, but then at least the concept, the image is formed of parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Later on they will be able to relate to it easily, and this is also to learn the folding, so which we are going to use in next few activities some other time later on. So this is how you will introduce the square shape, by folding it a few times, and side by side they will understand that this was a big square and this has now become a small square. This has become a triangle. So how with one shape we can create another shape as well just by folding. So this is basically to introduce a square shape and also the process of folding something. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.